And welcome back. It has been a gorgeous day across the viewing area. Temperatures not too hot, right around normal for this time of year. 85 degrees was our high here in Hattiesburg. 56 was our low this morning. No precipitation today, but we did pick up some over the weekend, of course. We're just about an inch and a quarter above where we should be for this time of year. And I'm sorry to say we are going to increase that as we get into later parts of the week. More on that in just a minute. Right now, not a lot going on across the southeastern U.S. Again, we have been pretty clear, maybe a few high clouds. That's about it. You got some showers and thunderstorms going across Omaha right now, some down near Houston. Now, our next storm maker is actually, you can kind of see these storms blowing up in the Oklahoma-Texas Panhandle. That is our next storm maker, and then the next one after that just came on land. So we are looking at several days right now of showers and thunderstorms. Quite a bit of rain is going to fall once we go to the later portions of this week. It's a nice forecast, 58 degrees, partly cloudy. Those winds out of the southeast pretty calm. And for your Tuesday, those winds will kind of shift a little bit because the high pressure is building on in. Eventually, that'll push on off to the east. We'll get those southerly winds to return. Unfortunately, as we always know, when we get those southerly winds, we get back some Gulf moisture. And with several rounds of instability looking to move on through, again, showers and thunderstorms are on tap for us. Forecasted highs for tomorrow, though, it's going to be another beautiful day. A little bit warmer, temperatures near 90 degrees. And those winds out of the southeast, 5 to 10 miles per hour, they will be shifting to being more out of the northeast as we go on throughout the day. Here we go, water vapor again, plenty of dry air across the southeastern United States. There's those storms blowing up again along the Texas, Oklahoma Panhandle, all the way up into Colorado. There's actually a tornado warning associated with this one up here in Wyoming, and Montana actually had snow over the weekend. So thankfully, we're not dealing with that. We're just going to be dealing with some flooding rains, unfortunately, again, as that pushes on off to the east. And the next storm maker you can just see in our view right here, this little swirl right there, that is the second one that we're going to be dealing with after we get the first wave through here. So later this week, again, showers and thunderstorms moving on through. Another one aiming for us on out to the west. So right now, this is what we're looking at. This is going to be mainly for your Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday time frame. So we're looking at about 3 to 4 days of this. These won't be consistent, but they'll be on and off throughout those days. We're talking 1 to 3 inches likely here in Hattiesburg. And if you stretch this on out to 7 days, this actually shifts down to the southeast a little bit with more rain. So we're looking at flash flooding being a concern. Remember, turn around, don't drown. I saw the weekend in Oklahoma, in my home state, where some elderly ladies were driving. There was a flooded road, a flooded parking lot, and they just drove right into a ditch. The ditch was full. They didn't know it, and their car, live on television, just bam, right into the ditch. Let's not deal with that here. Everybody be safe, and it'll be just all right. Right now, severe risk right now for Thursday. It's just a slight risk on off to our north and to our west. We'll be keeping a close eye on that, though. So your weather brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. Tuesday, mostly sunny skies, 89 degrees. Still in the 80s for your Wednesday on and throughout your Thursday. And then once we get into Friday, we'll cool on off into the 70s. Still be back in the 80s for Saturday, Sunday, but rainy conditions throughout. And we'll stay overcast on into next week.